snowman. No.
Pan!
Yay!
Is that a fan? No, this is a fan.
Haha, that's right. What's the top word? What's the top picture?
The pan.
A pan. Great reading, Elise.
Her at
The very first word.
Sat. That's that. No. Nothing. Not big. Not big.
What's the next part? Say, the next page.
Dedicated to. What's this is the name?
I read that part already. Now you need to turn the page.
Yes, Mama. He was not big or fat. Is that right there, this word?
Read the words. Put your finger on the word.
What? Was not Pepin was not big or fat.
Well done. What does the next page say?
From tip to top. Is it from tip to top?
Sound it out.
From toe to head. And was
Oop, try that word again. Not big. And then what's the next word after big? What's the O-F? Of.
tip to top. That one is not big. From tip to top. Is that right?
Yes, it is. That means he was short, doesn't it?
Yes. Like, ooh, okay. Oh, you never know. You're so fun. Pepin's name tag. Is this right?
Read the words.
N not big. That's what the whole sentence says.
Say it again.
Pepin got a name tag that was from Pepin not big.
This is Elise's second time reading this book, and she's using her memory for some of it. Focus on what the words say, sweetie pie.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Ought be tag of Pepin not big.
So Pepin got the tag of Pepin not big. And a tag means his name. People called him Pepin
Not big. Or Pepin not growing.
the short.
Ed was not big.
Oh!
What? Is this the word? What?
What? Yet. Yes. What is that word?
Yes, Mama.
It's one of your special exhibit words. What? What? No. What, Pepin? Oh, what does that mean?
That means it was small.
You had a small chair?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was small.
To fit him. His
Yeah.
bed was not big. What Pepin sat in was not big.
Maybe the table was little to fit the chair so it could eat.
Maybe. Okay, I'm going to help you with the rest of it. Can you say goodbye to the camera now?
Goodbye, camera.
Can you tell me what you like about Phonics Museum?
I like reading the books and playing the boy, dad, and girl.
And playing what?
And playing the boy, dad, and girl.
Oh, the archives game and pretending to be the family at the museum?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Goodbye.
Good. Now we'll do it.
Here's Nathaniel. He and I are playing Phonics Museum Archives Medial Vowel Edition.
My turn.
Oh boy. Nathaniel loves this game, don't you?
Yeah.
He's super competitive. He just loves playing games. Here's 2-year-old brother just eating his lunch, and 6-year-old working on her art craft, and 3-year-old sister working on a craft as well. Okay, let's see. Can you flip over a card for me, buddy? Ooh. Should I use A, E, I, O, or U?
So far, I've used these. Mostly.
Mostly A's. I'm going to try to use a different letter. I'm going to use an I. Ig. Rig. That was in one of your books about the Pilgrim's Crossing.
Old horse.
It's a
Easier
type of boat, you can say.
Otherwise, it's an old horse.
Or you maybe pull
You
a
can
rig to travel as a pioneer.
Go back there.
Oh no, twice? Go forward to go back to, go forward to go back to. Keep landing on this one right there. Anyway, thanks Veritas Press. We're really enjoying this game and your whole curriculum. Nathaniel read his 7th primer last week, Ben and His Pen, and today he had a new letter. What was it?
J.
J. Tell me something that starts with J.
Jump. JB.
Jaguar.
Jaw.
You silly boy. Well, we're having a good time. Toodaloo.